How do you feel?
What an experience, man.
Mental machine, mental machine. Too good, too good.
A6 category. In second place, Abu Bakr Artani.
I think yesterday was a brilliant day, but we had some snacks that we hit, didn't we?
We went for the first time to the Valley Run and we came third, which is awesome. And personally, as me driving the car, it felt crazy.
So despite of coming third, we had a little moment where we weren't that happy yesterday, and we had actually come second, but there was a little issue. So what happened was, in the provisional results, they had taken it out, and we were right on top at the second position, and we all lost our minds.
Yeah.
Like, it was amazing, and we couldn't stop, and we
And you can see my reaction. I mean, I was like, whoa.
crazy. We started making calls, we started telling people that we had come second and all, and then after a while they came out with apparently what was the final result. So on that we saw that we had been bumped down to third, and that obviously raised a few flags for us, and we were like, wait, what? And so there was a little back end story to it which we wanted to know. So we went to the officials and we had tried asking them what happened and why is somebody who did not have a time recorded in the provisional result, somehow in the final result he came second.
From second to come down to third, I mean, thankfully we still have a podium position. So
Yeah.
no regret there. But the whole point of this event is timing. And if you get the timing wrong, we were kind of sad about that aspect. So that's why we went to actually not appeal, but actually talk to them and find out what happened, you know.
Yeah, so to let y'all know a little more, so they had not recorded the guy's time in the first provisional result, and then we went to the official saying that how is he even getting a time in the final result. So he stated that there was a time, it wasn't printed correctly and they hadn't documented it correctly, which then the officials corrected and it showed in the final result.
So I mean, we couldn't. Fought as much as possible, but I mean, at the end of the day, we couldn't do much more.
Yeah.
But don't get us wrong, we had a good time, an amazing time at the event. The first time we were participating, and we came third, which is awesome, and it was organized also pretty well. So no regrets there. But it was just that we wanted to share our experience and what happened to us. So which was very
Yeah.
disheartening. But
Yeah.
thanks to the guys at Elite Octane for even planning this whole event and giving us a chance to participate in it.
Yeah.
But I think now let's move on to the rest of the video.
And the next Valley Run we are
We're
gonna shake the categories, hopefully.
Yeah. So thank you guys.
Let the sun go down.
Good morning, guys. It's the start of the second day. A beautiful, beautiful morning in Ambi Valley, as you all can see behind us.
It's an amazing setting. Today we are not participating, but it's an action-packed day because there's some drifting, there are amazing supercars, and we're going to check out everything today at the airstrip, which we are heading to now because after yesterday's podium, third position, the first time we actually participated in the Valley Run, it was super exciting, and today is going to be another day, new experiences and new things to look at. I think let's just leave. We're going to catch some breakfast, and of course, cold
See you
start.
on. Yeah.
Cold start. We just left for the Valley Run and we are making some noise.
Shawty, you got me crazy. Say gon' be my lady. Say gon' have my baby. But you been coming late. Thinking I made a mistake when I fell in love with you. Cause you shot me through my heart and I wanna be done with you. Type of girl I don't deserve. Cause I made sure I was good. Now I wanna hit the curve and forget about you. Drive me through the dirt, messing up my groove. That's why I made this verse. And it's all about you, all about you. Yeah, baby, see this coming. Live for spending the money. I'm gonna make sure you're sorry. Packing my clothes in a hurry. Find me a girl who love me. Don't even try to come in. You're gonna get hot, you're gonna get ditched, you're gonna get come at the shutting. Yeah, cause you messed up my mood. Yeah, now I'm so done with you. Yeah, gonna find someone new. Yeah, someone better.
We have finally entered the asphalt and we have seen some amazing cars today. Most of them are getting ready for the documentation and scrutiny check, but a phenomenal range of cars. I mean, you can see Ferraris, you can see BMWs, you can see Audis, you name it and it's there. The Continental GTs, I mean, it's insane out here. There are loads and loads of people and I mean, everybody can't stop hearing the grunt of each car.
So, as Dhruv mentioned, there are some amazing and epic cars, but I wanted to mention a few specific ones which we personally love. So now, if you look there, that's SJP's M3, which is beautiful. That red paint job is amazing, and of course that straight pipe is one of the loudest in the country, so there's no getting over that. And when he revs that car, it's so loud. Then next we go to the Throttle 97 stall. So at the Throttle 97 stall, you'll see Damandeep's C63. First of all, let me mention, I absolutely love this naturally aspirated V8. I mean, there's no engine that can beat this AMG engine. What's interesting is that's not a paint job. That's actually a PPF with color, which is very interesting and the first time I've seen it. Let us know in the comments if you've ever heard about it before, but I think it's very cool. It's a loud color, no doubt, but I think, I mean, if I had that car, I would do something loud because the car is loud. Next we move on to, okay, first of all, as you saw the C63, there's a very interesting Civic over there in the same color, but obviously I don't think that's a PPF. I think that's like a wrap or a paint job. I can't exactly tell, but yeah. And then of course there's an X7M, there are a lot of cars over there and very interesting to see and all sound amazing. Another special mention is the 488. This matte black is amazing. These are the guys from Boys and Machine, India. But just look at how that car looks, and it has a Mansory package which is insane and it even sounds amazing. And now I would say a kind of highlight, another car worth mentioning is this amazing GTR tuned by N1 Racing, and this GTR actually won the Valley Run last year in the fastest time of around 10 seconds for a quarter mile, which is completely insane. Let's see what it does this time. Another crazy garage is this particular garage here, and there's an amazing Huracan. Absolutely love this car. And of course there's an M5 here, M5 Comp. But these are just some of the mentions, and you can hear that sound. These are just some of the mentions which were worth mentioning. Actually, all are worth mentioning, but some are special. So we just mentioned a few, but that's about it. I think we'll move on to the next part of this event.
My girl be mad, I feel so bad, She not picking herself, up, but I left a text, Hope she gon' read it, Hope she text me back, Cause I did something bad, I caught her flex, She got so many fans, myself a fresh and got me feeling kinda jealous, got me so close to the edge, so I said something that I regret, and he got me in a pile of mess, now I'm wishing I could take it back, but she told me that she'll never forget, yeah. So now I'm waiting for her to I feel so sick.
2, 3, make some noise, come on!
What's up? Let me show my face.
You know India? What's up, bro?
Good. How's the event going for you guys?
Good, awesome.
How do you like them drifting? It's good, of course.
So this is a jam.
I'm not yet, but I will be coming in soon when my car is ready. KS has just answered to your questions about the Laurel when is it getting ready. So have a look on my story if you can.
Perfect. And check him out. He's Tuner India on Instagram, and you have a YouTube channel as well.
I do. It goes by the name Tuner India itself. Do subscribe. And these guys are superb. We just won third. He came third in the category. Superb car. Follow him.
My god, that drifting session was epic. I mean, listening to Gautam Singhania drift and burn those tires out, oh my god.
And that smell of the rubber. Oh god, it was
Too
crazy.
good.
And
But
overall amazing experience.
I don't know, what is your personal favorite car to drift on? If we get to drift, I mean.
And if we get to this, I don't know. I would choose the Mustang, the Mach 1 Mustang. Oh my god, that was.
Nice.
You could also hear the whine of the supercharger.
Yeah, that little flutter, oh my god, too good. So if you all have a personal favorite cars that you all want to drift on, please drop a comment down below and let us know too.
And stick around. Let's see what's next. So guys, it's the end of today. I mean, it was definitely an action-packed day, and we
This
had an
whole
amazing
weekend,
time.
I mean, just back-to-back action. Sometimes it was quite slow,
Yeah.
but
So basically, we had a few things, some issues which we already addressed in the video, with our timings, with the organization. I mean, we are not complaining, but some things actually bothered us, so we thought we should address it in the video.
first of
And
all, this weather, I mean, oh god, it's too hot.
It's crazy because the weather keeps changing every 10 minutes.
It's either raining or it's hot and it's December and it's just weird. It's summer and monsoon together.
And we also got an umbrella from KS Motorsport. Yeah. So helping with the sun. But yeah, overall a good experience. Overall a good experience. A few issues definitely, but nothing severe, nothing serious.
But I think the highlight of this weekend,
Is we were on the podium.
and that is amazing. For first timers, I mean, even we were shocked, but we put all our hearts in, and we hope you got to see a lot of good cars and a few good drifting sessions
definitely. And yeah, that's about it. So
too. If you've liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and drop a comment if you want to reach out to us.
yeah, and also follow us on Instagram. Cheers guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and see you in the next one.
And oh, sorry. Let us know if you have any doubts on how to participate or anything about the event, because I think we've been through it and we've got a fair share of answers for it. So,
yeah.
see you next time.
See you.